Oh my, it feels so good to lost in the right direction. Still in Cambayan. So next we went to the museum. Oh my, the yummy and juicy Tita and Fatty. Look, let's see what's inside this museum. And there, you see the mommy inside. And accordingly to the staff there, they will soon be transferred to the bigger building sooner or later, they said. Oh, thank you for all the friendly staffs and security group of the museum. Okay, and then to Tinongjong Boreal Rock. Oh my God, the siki is not sikiing when you go up there because there's a bit to hike. Oh, look, so beautiful this tita. And then there, it's like the eyes on the rock. Ay, gandacious. And then to Northern Lakes. This is actually the four lakes, but because of the siki is trembling already, cannot go up to the other lakes. We just have a look at the Tabayo Lake there. And meet a new friends. One of them is Buridok, also a content creator. Follow her. They are so friendly and like that. Thank